Hey guys, thank you for tuning into another video. So today, as you can see, I'm in my living room because the lighting is kind of crappy today and I can't find my ring light. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do an old school, sit in front of a window, so ignore all the background. But nevertheless, today I am super excited about today's video because today's video is influenced by one of you guys and one of my subscribers reached out to me via email and really caught me off guard, and I was super excited to receive such a thing because little emails and little things that you guys say, and I read all your comments, like they really do encourage me to continue to do what I do, to make videos and content for you guys, to be able to better help you all with your businesses and your boutiques and things like that. So when I seen this email, I was really touched and I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta do a video. But nevertheless, one of my subscribers, she reached out to me and she was pretty much like, hey, I have a small business, I'm a subscriber, your videos are so inspiring. And she really reached out and was like, hey, can I pay you to promote my products on your channel? So at first I was like, okay, yeah, you know, I'll do, you know, paid promotion. I've done paid promotions before. But then I began to think about it. Like, if you guys don't know, I am a small business owner as well. So I definitely understand the ups and downs of being a small business owner. Getting your product in front of the right people. Marketing can be expensive. You know, it's just a bunch of different things that come along with owning a small business. And I 100% understand. So when she reached out to me, I thought about it. I was like, you know what? I'm not going to charge you to do this video. Send me your products and I'm going to do the video and help you promote your business on my channel. So as I began to think about the whole concept of promoting her product on my channel, I began to think about, again, me being a small business owner, how much that would help me if I was in you all's situation where, you know, maybe you don't have a YouTube channel, or maybe you don't have a big platform where you're able to get your products in front of, and running ads and getting influencers involved. Like, all that stuff is so expensive. Believe me, I know. I ran ads and I'm like, dang, like I need some of these ads to start turning around because these ads are expensive. And then influencers, trying to get them in front of the right influencers. Like, I definitely understand, like, influencers gotta make their money, and even myself with larger companies, I do, and I get paid for my work, but it does add up and it is very expensive. So before I go into her product and her business, I do want to come on here and let you guys know that I am going to be promoting your small business on my channel for free. So all you have to do is send your products to me if you want them to be featured on my channel. The holiday season is coming up. Black Friday is approaching. Christmas, I was gonna say Merry Christmas is approaching. Christmas is approaching. All the holidays in which people are ready to spend their money, they're just looking for your products. This is the time, and this is my gift back to you guys. This is my way of saying thank you to you guys, is to promote your products on my channel. So if you own a small business and you have physical products that you were able to send to me, send them to me. I'm going to put my mailing address, my P.O. box down below, and you are able to send your products to me. Now, I'm going to be doing a course of I'll probably do about 3 small promo videos before the end of the year. Because again, this is the season when people are ready to spend their money. They're just looking to spend money. So I'll probably do about 3 videos for the end of the year promoting your business. So again, if you are a small business owner, I don't care what you sell. I don't care if it's dog products. I don't care if it's clothing. I don't care if it's eyelashes, hair. I don't care, body care, whatever it is that you have, that you are able to have it in a physical form, send it to me and I'm going to promote it on my channel free of charge. So yes, I'm going to be doing a small business promo on my channel. I'll probably do about 3 videos again. So the sooner you send it to me, the sooner it will be up on my channel. So with all that being said, I am going to do what I said I was going to do, and I am going to start off this project. I'm going to start off this series by doing one small business promo, but because she reached out, I was like, girl, you get a whole dedicated video. So the name of the business, she sent me a little so she sent me a package here to promote her business. So the name of the business is Aroma Bar Beauty. And I'm going to put the website up here, as well as she has her Instagram. And pretty much what she does is, let me pull up her Instagram real quick here. So this is her Instagram right here. Hopefully you guys can see it. probably, it's really bright here, but it is Aroma Bar Beauty, and she is a wholesale lip gloss vendor. So if you are looking into getting into the business of selling lip gloss, she is the one that you would want to contact. So definitely go follow her on her Instagram. She has some really good visuals, a really nice Instagram page that shows you pretty much everything and that she has to offer. With all that being said, again, she did send me over some lip glosses. So here we go. So it comes in this really cute little pink packaging, which I like. Cute, has some little funfetti in there, which I always love. Looks cute on camera. I always appreciate that. And this is what she sent over. So she pretty much sent over a thank you card. It says, thank you, your order made my day. And then it does have her information on there in regards to her website and her Instagram handle. So there you are. And so it comes in this really cute little packaging that has it all nice and content. And so she sent over 4 really cute lip glosses. And so we are going to try them out on camera so you guys can take a peek here. So this is the first one that she sent over, a really nice, kind of like a pumpkin almost, but not like, so this is the first color. It's really nice. It's kind of like a burnt orange kind of color. It smells really good. Kind of like a buttercream. It smells really good. So I'm going to take some and show you guys what it looks like. This is what it looks like on my hand. If I push it in, this is what it looks like. It smells really good. It smells like frosting. So I have a chapstick on right now. I'm gonna show you guys. It smells so good. And you know what I like about this? It is really a nice consistency. Like, I hate super sticky lip gloss, and this is not sticky, but it's nice and thick. And I hate super watery lip gloss. This is like perfect. Like, it sits on my lips really nice. Clean all this up here. Got a little happy. But this is really, really nice. This is really nice. And like, my lips feel moisturized, and that's what I appreciate too. That's why I'm really picky about lip gloss, is because I want my lips to feel moisturized if I use it. And sometimes lip gloss just makes it worse to me. Like, it'll dry it out, but this does not dry out my lips at all. My lips feel so moisturized with this, and my lips feel super soft. Like, I really like this, and it smells so good. I just want to eat it. We're gonna pull out another one. So now we're gonna go a little bit deeper, which I like this. It's kind of like a mauve color, like that pink purple mauve color, which I wear a lot of this color. So we're gonna see what this looks like. Again, it smells super good. It smells like frosting. So this is what this looks like on camera. Oh, so good. So I'm gonna wipe this off real quick. Okay. So I got a little paper towel so I can try out the next color. So again, the next color is this really pretty mauve color, and as I showed you guys. So I'm gonna try this one. This one smells a little different. It smells so good. So this one is really nice too. I like this. Yeah, this is cute. And again, it's so nice and like the perfect thickness that it needs to be for a lip gloss, which I really do appreciate. So this one is really cute. And we have 2 more. I think I'm gonna go with this purplish color. I used to love this color lipstick. I used to wear this color lipstick like all the time. So try this on. So let's see what this one looks like. This is really pretty. Like in the fall time, you couldn't tell me nothing. I used to love purple lipstick. and you couldn't tell me nothing. I went through like a whole lipstick phase. Ooh, this one smells good. It's a little sweeter smell. It smells really good. So we're gonna take it out. And I love these tubes too, you guys. These tubes are everything. Like the tubes that make it so easy to put on. I'm not a big dip kind of girl, but I love these two because I can just take it out, put it on, and boom, put it back. So this is what this color is. This purplish color. So we are going to swatch this. That's what it looks like when it comes out the tube. This top one right here. And I'm just gonna go in and rub it in so you can see it a little better. That's really pretty. And this one's a little bit more of like a sweeter smell on here. Ooh, it smells good though. Oh, it smells really good. Okay, so I'm gonna do this one. Ooh. Again, a nice thick consistency, but not overly thick where it's like sticking. This is really nice. This is really, you can smell it more as I put it out. It's kind of like a bubblegum grapey type of, smells good. Like, I don't know why I'm smacking, but it smells really good. Look. Oh yeah, that's nice. And I like that it gives like a nice shine too. Like it's not, oh yeah, that's cute. It's not like overly too much of a shine, but it's right enough to be like lip gloss. I really like that. Oh yeah, I like this one. This one's probably my favorite one so far. And so we got one more that we're gonna try out. Take it off. So it's this nice, really cute, like bubblegum pink kind of color. Super cute. Let's see what it smells like. That's what I'm interested in. It smells really good. It kind of does smell like bubblegum. So we're going to put it on the hand to test it out. Do a little swatch. Oh yeah, it's this really cute pink. It's this one right here. This really cute, the top one, pink color. There you can see it. Oh yeah, definitely bubblegum. I can fully smell it now that I've pulled it out some. Definitely smells so good. Let's see here. I'm not gonna put too much on there because it is lighter. I don't want to. I suck at putting on. So again, very moisturizing, because even as I'm like taking it off with this paper towel, like taking it off is making my lips dry because I'm constantly swiping my lips with this paper towel. But even as I put it back on, like it's definitely moisturizing my lips. So this is the bubblegum, which is a nice light pink. I'm not a big pink person, but I can do this. It's because I have like dark lips, so pink kind of makes me nervous sometimes. But this is really nice. I didn't put too much on there because, again, I'm not huge on pink, but it smells really good. I really want to like lick my lips, but I'm not gonna do that. So those were the 4 lip glosses that she sent over to me, guys. I definitely want to do a little swatch for you guys so we can see the consistency, or maybe that's better for you, just to see what it looks like. These are the 4 colors that she sent over. These 2 are probably my favorites. I just love deep purple kind of colors. These are really nice too. They all smell so good. They smell great. The consistency on these are really, really nice. So if you are interested in getting into the wholesale business with lip gloss, definitely check out Aroma Bar Beauty. So the owner's name is Amanda. She's super, super, super sweet. So definitely if you're interested, go check her out on her Instagram or her website. You can reach out to her if you have any further questions. But definitely check her out again if you are looking into getting into the wholesale business with selling lip gloss. It's a really great Instagram and a really great website, and some really great prices as well. So definitely check her out if you are, again, interested in getting into the wholesale lip gloss if you are interested in finding a defender for wholesale lip gloss, Amanda is your girl over at Aroma Bar Beauty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you are interested in having your business promoted in my next small business haul, definitely make sure you check out my P.O. box down below. Send me your items. The sooner I get them, the sooner I can upload the videos. Hope that it helps you guys make some money this holiday season. And until next time, thank you guys always for your support, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.